Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed that close-up view of this serene landscape painting. Today, I'd like to take you on a deeper journey into the artistic process behind this tranquil masterpiece. Now let's delve into the artist's toolkit, shall we? Before we dive into the world of paint and color, I want to take you back to the very beginning of this artistic journey. With a simple pencil, I begin by outlining the basic elements of the scene: the rolling hills, the placement of the tree, and the overall balance of the composition. And now, with the gentlest of touches, I make the first mark, a promise of what's to come. With each stroke, I shape the hills, I create texture, I build the layers that will bring this landscape to life. Now, as I apply these strokes to the canvas, notice how each one adds depth and texture, creating a sense of distance and perspective. Painting is a connection between artist and canvas, a silent conversation where emotions, memories, and inspiration blend together. Art is like a magical language that humans use to express feelings, thoughts, and stories. It can be a painting, a sculpture, music, or even a dance. When people create or look at art, they can feel happy, sad, inspired, or curious. Art helps us understand and share our emotions and ideas with others. It's a way for us to connect and show the beauty and meaning in our world. Art is a special and wonderful part of being human. In the heart of a tranquil grove, where small trees stand in clusters, we are greeted by the gentle embrace of a cool, serene evening. The landscape is painted in shades of green, and the trees cast enchanting blue shadows upon the ground. Ultramarine blue give depth to your painting, and it is great for shadows. Observe the dewdrops clinging to the blades of grass, each one a tiny universe refracting the morning light. The grass itself varies in shades, from the vibrant emerald of new growth to the subdued olive of those touched by time. As the breeze rustles through the meadow, the grass sways like a living, breathing organism, a symphony of movement and life. The wildflowers, with their intricate petals, add a dash of color to this verdant canvas. And here, at the heart of this landscape, stands a solitary tree, its branches stretching outwards as if to embrace the heavens. It stands as a symbol of strength and resilience, a silent witness to the passage of time. Thank you for joining me on this artistic journey today. I hope this painting brings you a sense of peace and tranquility. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more art content. Until next time, take care and keep creating.